So hello guys, we are back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the Axiom Pro. And in this video, I'm going to cover all the questions regarding to meme coin trading. That like the people were asking like, what is your fee setting? Basically, what is your settings according to the fees, how you buy and sell the meme coin, and what is the drawback of the Axiom? What if the Axiom get away or they steal the funds? How we trust that platform? It's not a centralized system. So I'm going to answer all the questions in this video. So the thing is like that. First of all, let's see my buying settings and selling settings like slippage, fees, and etc. On this side, you will see the preset. When you click on the preset, you can adjust your fees. For example, if you guys are trading with $10 or like maybe like $20, $30, $40 or $50 like that, so you can just use these settings. This is the setting what I am trying to use, and it's been a couple of decades like I'm using this setting, and it just buy the coins immediately. For the sell second for the sell settings, you can see like the same thing, but I increase the slippage. The matter is like that. For the buying setting, your slippage must be lower because you can buy on any entry. You see the meme coin is pumping, it's doing very good things, but for the selling, you don't know what is coming next. So for the selling, I use 50% slippage to exit fast. On the preset 2, if you have like $100 or you can say like $200 for a single trade of a meme coin, then you can use this setting. It's a very effective setting used by many pro traders, and you will see many coins are using it. Like they have a like $3,000, $4,000 or $3,500 budget, and they used to spend $100 on one meme coin. And this is the professional one, basically with 40% slippage but 0.001, which is approximately $1. If you want to place 1k, 14k, 13k trades, it will go immediately. And for that, we use the instant trade, which is this option. You can just buy and sell the coin immediately like the Novabot, but it is much better than Novabot. So let's answer your next question, which is the like, if the Axiom goes anywhere, for example you lose the funds, how this Axiom work? Let me just show you. Axiom work only like a decentralized platform. It uses the Phantom API. Basically, your money is stored in the Phantom wallet. They don't have access to Phantom wallet. For example, if the Phantom get away, let me just show you. These are the Phantom wallets, basically, not the Axiom wallet. Provided by the Axiom, backed by your wallet, linked with your wallet when you make the account. So this is how these Phantom wallets work. Basically, you get the API, and this API called by the platform, and they are interlinked. So when the platform goes disappear, for example Axiom goes to bankrupt, so you won't lose the money. If the Phantom wallet goes bankrupt, then you will lose the money. This is how. Now third question, how we deposit the money into Axiom? The procedure is very simple. Basically, you need to click on the deposit and just click on that deposit address and go to the extension of your Phantom wallet and just type the password. In my case it's 123456789. And don't worry guys, this is the empty wallet, and nobody, if you want, you can just use my wallet as well, and it will be beneficial to me, like I will get the fund. So you need to just click on the when you just transfer your funds from the receiving address from your Binance or any exchange, your Solana will appear here. You need to click here, you need to select Solana, and you need to just paste your address here and just click on next Sol, and that is it. So this is the first step. Now the second step. The second step is very easy. You can just create a wallet or import a wallet here. When you import a wallet, you need to go to the like Phantom wallet here, and you need to go to settings. Let me show you the private key. You need to go to the show private key, just 123456789, and this is your Solana like private key. You need to come here, import, just paste that private key, and your wallet will be get imported here. So for example, if you want to have like 100 Solana here, 10 Solana here, or maybe 50 Solana in different wallet of Phantom, what you can do, just drag this wallet here, consideration, which means they will equally transfer the funds. For example, if you have 100, it will make the 20 pair, so you won't lose the so much big capital. You can play with small capital, and this is very helpful for the meme coin trading. Stay tuned for more